Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Instagram carousels with seamless transition. So first of all, go ahead and decide on the theme and how each slide will flow into text or into the next. Create storyboard if needed, right? And then you're going to design your slides. Use design tools like like Canva or Adobe Photoshop. Ensure your images and graphics share similar color scheme and style for consistency, and then align elements that will connect between slides, e.g. edges, backgrounds, and then make sure that each image is the same size at 1080 by 1080 pixels to maintain uniformity. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna create a continuous design. Use images that naturally connect. For example, a panoramic photo split across slides, or a series of images that blend into one another, and then save each image in the correct order. When uploading to Instagram, select the carousel option and choose the images in the desired sequence, and then write engaging captions for the entire carousel and include relevant tags. Share your post and engage with your audience. Try testing different layouts to see which transitions resonate best with your followers. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.